going for right over the guitar. So from here, I'm going to continue sanding this using the 800 grit. I'm going to sand down the whole guitar. It's probably going to take a few hours, and we'll check back in on progress after that. If I hold the guitar up to the light now, you can see we've removed almost all of the orange peel effect we were looking at before sanding. Might still see a couple of little spots around here which indicate some low spots, but I think it's probably safer to take care of that with the next grade of paper. This time, rather than removing the orange peel effect, I'm essentially just trying to remove the scratch marks left from the 800 grit paper. Okay, so once you've completed sanding with your 1200 grit, it's time to move on to a finer grit of paper again. So I'm using 1500 grit next. Now I've left this to soak overnight, so I'm going to wet sand from here. Now wet sanding, you don't need to do that specifically, and obviously anytime you're using water on a wooden product, you need to be a little bit careful. So we don't want water getting down into the pickup cavity or into the holes for the bridge. So keep a rag on hand. Normally when you're wet sanding, you use a fair amount of water. So you need to just keep a rag on hand so that you're not allowing any water to get into the pre-drilled holes, which obviously having unsealed timber inside those holes could cause the timber to expand, and you may have trouble installing your hardware.